Welcome back. Now, you may want to work with a freelancer or outsourcer on a project, and you don't want to give them access to the entire project. Now, what we have is you have the option of creating a client login for them so that you can limit the number of things that they'll be able to see within a project. Or what you can do is to create sub-projects. So for example, you can make it so that an individual will only have access to certain projects, and while everyone else on the team might have access, this individual will only have access to that project that you have designated for them. What you're doing in this case is you're creating a new project, and that project is only going to be for certain aspects of a project. And you're only going to invite the individuals that will be temporary, or they're only going to be part of this one project and not a part of the larger project. Then once the project is completed, what you can do is go into the project settings, and then you can archive this project so that the individual will then have access, but not access to the things that you don't want them to see. You can also manage the project further by making sure that this individual is no longer part of your team. And by going into their superpowers, you can go to this right-hand link and you can remove that individual entirely from your Basecamp system. And by using and archiving sub-projects, you will not have more projects than you need counting towards your Basecamp limit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.